I'm gonna take you on a little course that we go, so you can kind of feel the suspension do its deal a little bit. Let's see what's up.
Buckle up.
Jeez, bro. Shit. Let's go to the right.
Okay.
Then we're gonna take that left where that white van just came out of.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Tussler. Let's see how the shocks do their job right now. It's all about that return to center, so.
Oh my God.
Boom,
dude.
right through this ditch.
Like nothing.
It feels good, man.
It don't feel like
honestly,
anything.
I thought it was gonna feel more stiff with that spring, but even now
man.
it feels good.
Even the ass feels tighter than it did before, even though it's so stiff.
We're gonna make a right into this parking lot, right here, behind this Jeep.
Oh, behind the Jeep.
That would be in front of the Jeep.
Yeah, behind and front. Yeah.
Same thing, you know.
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever. There's a couple little ditches and bumps. You can kind of feel the suspension here.
Okay.
Yeah. Here we go. Here we go.
Pothole.
Little pothole. He's not afraid of getting dirty, that's for sure.
Oh my God.
Amazing or what? Is this what you wanted?
Dude, it was like,
is this what you wanted?
Before you had all this clanking and banging and suspension bottoming out. It's not even testing it right now.
Yeah.
This is nothing.
Oh, you want to test it?
Oh, we can test it.
Okay, let's do this. I will take you to... Oh, there's actually a little ditch over there too. You could take it through. I think it should. See that little line up there?
Which one?
Right up there.
Oh, this thing here.
Yeah, it's a little... That's a big one.
Right here?
Yep.
That's a big one?
Well,
I feel like a big bump.
for our little, you know, RV customer, you know. All right, he's taking it through the paces. All right.
That's feeling real good.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
Okay.
Since you like to... Am I okay?
Yeah,
I'm kind of just sweating.
He's getting a little nervous. You all right?
Just a little...
MV can't handle the heat, babe. What's up, man?
Oh, shit. Damn. Jeremy's going to be disappointed with me right now. Okay, if we go out here,
okay,
I'll take you to a little dirt road since you're feeling adventurous. All right.
Man. She's going to get a bath later anyway.
Yeah.
She ain't been washing in a while.
Look,
yeah.
We're going to have adventures. We're
going straight through, or
We're going to go that way, yeah.
We blame everything on John Drives Anything. If you haven't checked out his channel, check him out on YouTube. But yeah, John, he has this affliction with lifted vans. He can't get enough of them. He's making videos about 13 years. So anyway, he got me started with
all that way, by the way. Just keep going straight.
Keep going straight.
All the way to that last stoplight down there.
That's who I got introduced to Jeremy through, and as well as
chill, bro. We have a camera on the front, so they're seeing all that.
Hey, pull out in front of me. I'll get all this shit paid for.
We got this bumper on here.
Yeah, so John Drives Anything, and then also Van City Van Life Chrome, the Chrome project. That dude, he did everything to his van, and I was like, yeah, okay, that's all I needed at that point. Once I saw Chrome do it, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get that someday. Someday. I'm gonna have me a white van, and I'm gonna get it lifted, and I'm gonna do all that crazy stuff. Back then, it was a pipe dream, but we're here now.
So that's why we got the Weldtec kit. Let's take it back a little bit. Why did you start making YouTube videos?
Oh, making YouTube videos? I got bored during COVID. It's that simple. I got bored during COVID, and I was like, I saw a bunch of other people making videos. I was like, I can do that. Like, let me do that. You know, I'm a bit arrogant. I like how I look on camera. So you know, yeah.
There you go. Now you've done a million van life videos, a million Thailand videos, a million van life videos, a million Thailand videos. Chocolate Man in Thailand, James Casino, Chocolate Man in the van.
In a van, baby.
So who are you really, man?
I am Chocolate Man in a van. That's who I am.
That's who he is.
Military veteran, living my life, doing my thing. Having a good time.
Big time with the sauce. And we right here in the cut with Chocolate Man in the van. Came here all the way from Thailand. We're blasting down this little road right here with that MagnaFlow.
MV's getting nervous.
Now I'm hearing that MagnaFlow kind of tooting back there. It's sounding good, man.
Yeah, real good.
Wow. Very exciting. This is a very exhilarating test drive, I will say. I'm not maintaining my normal composure. Alright, we're gonna make this right behind this Ram van. Okay? But don't ram him.
Yep, I want to feel how the brakes are feeling. They're feeling pretty good.
Yeah, the brakes do feel good.
It's all rubber, so.
You know, I felt it in my stomach, so I would say they feel good. We're gonna go in the left lane. Okay?
He hasn't had a customer kill him yet, so it's a little weird for him.
Yeah, you know, I got my seatbelt on, so let's pray that we're good. Now, you do some of the live streaming.
Absolutely.
So what attracts you with the live streaming situation?
Yeah, live stream's just fun. I love interacting with people. So, you know, I get 150 people in there. They're all rapping away. I'm answering questions. A lot of guys got questions about Thailand and van life and everything like that. I love helping people.
We're gonna make we can make it a left here. Yeah,
right here?
Yeah, right here. Yeah. So a lot of people asking you questions. They want to know about van life. I'm gonna have to pause on that so I don't shit my pants for coming up on some dirt patches here that he might just let a little bit loose on.
I would never do that.
Hopefully,
That would be dangerous.
hopefully. I'm just,
You're right over there.
It's cool. It's cool. It's just, I'm more of a driver than a passenger kind of person, you know. I'm just like,
I don't trust anybody's driving but my own, so I feel you 100%.
you know, you got me a little nervous. That was good enough.
It's all good. Hey, this thing, it's like I'm not even doing it. This road sucks, and I can't even feel it.
Yeah, this is really nice. I'm not gonna lie.
This is great.
Dude, it's riding really good, dude. You know, I thought for the weight that it is right now, it wasn't gonna be as smooth.
It's a little bit light for what's on it.
We'll
but-
keep going straight.
Oh, where?
Yeah.
Okay, my bad. It's funny to look down on these guys over here. There's like a guy with a lifted pickup back there. I'm looking down on him.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what's up, homie?
Yep.
You might want to go back to the shop.
Welcome to van life. So is this van life thing, something you see doing for the rest of your life?
I don't know if I'll do it for the rest of my life, but I'm definitely going to enjoy it for the next couple of years while I can.
It'll be
You know, a
this
lot
right.
of things hinge on my mom. As long as she stays healthy and whatnot, and I don't have to go back to Thailand, then we'll keep doing this. But at some point, I may have to go back to Thailand. But hey, we're
Yeah.
good for now.
So if it's not van life, is it Thailand?
Probably.
And
Thailand's just,
if it's not
easy to-
Thailand, then it's van life.
Yeah, pretty much. Maybe a little world travel, but Thailand's always going to be a base because it's easy living, brother. I'm going to get you out. I'm going to get MV to Thailand before you know it.
Damn, when MV goes to Thailand?
He'll never come back. I'm telling you.
Damn, son. Oh, so in Thailand, are you a moped kind of guy?
Yeah, I mean, you have to at some place because
Ooh.
the traffic is so bad. Like in Pattaya, the traffic's so bad, getting around on a scooter is the
Yeah.
easiest way to do it.
Bangkok versus Pattaya.
Bangkok is just a monster, dude. There's over 15 million people that live there. It's insane. It's
like New York.
It's
like New York type
absolutely
tip.
just people everywhere, and it's not for me.
It's like an ant farm.
Yep. Now, if there's some kind of really good food or something you want to go shopping for, something like that, go to Bangkok for a couple days and chill. But then take your ass back to Pattaya on the beach and relax and, you know, enjoy life.
Thai girls versus American girls.
Oh my God, it's not even a comparison, bro. It's not even remotely a comparison. They're not even
Bro.
close to the same thing.
That's what I want to hear.
Yeah.
Oh, god damn.
Yeah, you have when you experience, that's just something you have to experience because you're not gonna, people can tell you about it all day and you're gonna be like, I don't believe you.
Okay, E-Series versus Sprinter.
Yeah, anyway.
We here, baby.
Look, I love Sprinters. They're great, but I would never take a Sprinter the places I've already taken this van before it even had improvements.
Because guys, look at show him the reflection right there.
Yeah.
Show him that. She got a BBL now.
Ooh, she got a fat back, baby.
She got a fat. Okay, well,
Fat back.
what more is there to say, guys? This is MV from Weldtec Designs with James Casino, the man, the myth, the legend. Appreciate you, man.
Appreciate you, brother. Awesome, man.
Safe travels. Enjoy it, man.
Awesome, brother.
Weldtec Designs, driven further.